Welcome to MarineMax in Rogers. I'm Jason Chapman, and today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2023 Premier 250 Intrigue, 25-foot tri-tune here, starting up at the bow. We do have our stainless steel rub rail and components. We got the flip-up cleats, the docking lights, and then also your running lights. Got the black panel color here, which just looks really great on this boat, and then also the electric bimini top. Down here at the stern, we have the extended swim platform. We have our tow arch that does light up, and this is powered by a 350 Mercury outboard. Let's hop up inside and check out some of the features. All right, so welcome inside this beautiful 250 Intrigue. We're starting here at the stern, then we're gonna make our way into the boat. This has the RF layout. So we have the rear facing seats back here. You have tons of storage under each cushion. And then this also has the changing room that pops up. Also on here, we have the upgraded JL audio sound. We have spots here to put your phones in, and it's actually gonna charge it for you. And then beautiful stone upholstery and the mahogany teak flooring. This boat does have the captain and co-captain seating with flip up bolsters here. And these do swivel and adjust. At the helm, we have a really big sim rad up there for all your engine diagnostics. It's going to be your chart plotting. Everything is going to be really accessible up here at the helm. We've got a spot here for your phone, tilt steering wheel, and then this does have the digital throttle and shift since we have the 350 outboard. All right, so making our way up into the bow here, we have tons of seating. This boat is rated for 18 passengers, so there's a lot of room to move around. Seating on either side with tons of storage underneath, and in each compartment we do have spots, your cup holders and for your drinks. And then this is optioned with a bow filler cushion up here too, which it really extends that seating area up here in the bow. Again, this boat is located here in Rogers. Feel free to walk right on in, give us a call or make an appointment. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.